Welcome back for another video from TDL DIY. So today we got this, we're going to be working on this toolbox. It's in a little bit of rough shape. It's missing one drawer, the bottom drawer, and some of the slides are missing on the drawers. So I ordered some wheels off Amazon and got some slides. Here's my box of goodies. And we got some nuts and bolts to get it all secured. So we got a bunch of brand new slides here. These are the ones I got off Amazon. They're the same, they're by Liberty. It's the same as I could have got at Home Depot, but I'm using these ones. Same exact thing. I bought off Amazon. I think it's around the same price, and Home Depot for some reason didn't have it in stock. So same thing, why not use it? Seems to be a pretty good, lots of good reviews on this. I think it's about a 4.5 star review. So I got these. Then I got some wheels off Amazon as well, and I did same day shipping. So I ordered it yesterday, and it got here later that night. So this one's a nice wheel. I think they're good, rated for 300 pounds each, and it's got a nice little brake on it, so that's perfect. And it lines up perfectly with the holes that are already there. So these are the wheels I'm going to install, guys. I did smash my finger. I was straightening out some of the damaged areas. I don't know if you can see right here, but that was a lot worse. I kind of straightened it out a bit. While doing so, I was trying to pry off one of the sliders, and my hand slipped and smashed into the metal drawer. So that's life. I'm working around it. It's super sensitive right now, but we're going to move forward, get this stuff done. It's going to be a restoration, but it's not going to be 100%. Obviously, we're missing a drawer, and we're going to do what we can to get it operationally working so it can function as a tool cabinet. Because right now it doesn't have wheels, and the drawers don't all work. So let's get the drawers and the wheels done, and at that point I'll be pretty happy with it being functional again. And that's my end state, my end goal. So yeah, let's do it. Enough talking, let's get to work. Alright guys, so I've already pre-positioned the screws in there, the bolts, so it'll make it a little bit easier. I don't know if I mentioned before, but I did get this for free. So all the work I put into it, the wheels were about 40 bucks, and I'll put a link in the description down below. The wheels are $40 for the set of 4, so about $10 a piece. And the slides were, these slides were about $15 a piece. Maybe 14, something around there. Anyways, I'll put the link in the description below from Amazon, where I got it from. So. This one's all bent out of whack, so we're just going to straighten it up a bit. This drawer's coming together. Alright, let's just quickly take a look at some of the other drawers, and we'll go from there. Right on. And this one needs a little bit of love. There we go. It's as good as it's gonna get for now. It's looking pretty good. And the new one obviously has different mounting style, so we're probably gonna pot rivet those in and call that a day. There we go. It's that easy. And as you can see here, I've already outlined all these spots where they're going to be. So I'm going to line the other ones up, and we'll figure out where the holes are going to be, drill a couple holes, and pot rivet. And if I have any real issues later on, I might even throw a weld in there, just a tack weld, pretty much a good little tack weld in there, and weld it in. So. There, and that's the process. So probably going to fast forward through the rest of it. Okay. Alright guys, so we got the drawers back in and they're functional. That's basically what we wanted to do here, and we've achieved that. So I think it's a success. We got the wheels on, we got the sliders back on the drawers so that they work. We'll see about throwing a lock on it, but the lock goes all the way to the back and then drops down. It's a special type of lock, so I don't know if we'll be able to do that, but that might be something we look at in the future. But for right now, it serves its purpose as a toolbox. Drawers open, I can roll around, and everything's hunky-dory. Now the frame might be just a little bit twisted, a little bit bent, that's why you probably get a little bit of rocking. But besides that, everything's good to go, and I'm super happy with how it turned out. So we might actually get some spray paint and spray paint some of these damaged areas, but we might do something about the top. We're definitely going to get some drawer liners. So this is at least the first part of this tool cabinet. If not, then it's complete. But yeah, we're gonna take a look and see some other things, and definitely going to get some drawer mats so stuff doesn't slide around so much. But if you like this kind of stuff, guys, feel free to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell for any notifications, and take a look at some of my other videos. You can always leave a comment down below and share with friends. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for the support, and I couldn't do it without you guys. So thanks for watching, and don't forget, never stop learning.